Hey, what's up you guys? Big Wes here, brand new video. Got some more scratchers here. Got a $20 ticket. This is a 230 million cash explosion ticket. I've had some of my best wins on these. Let's see what the odds are. Odds are 1 in 3.09. We're looking for a money bag for $100 instantly. 20x symbol. Matching numbers. Let's see what we can get here. Let's do this. See if we can get a win. Winning numbers are 48, 5, 50, 13, 18, 8, 46. Got an 11, 41, 27, 49, 10, 19, 1, 4, 28, 35, 34, 2, 16, 25, 36, 14, 29, 39, 24, 6, last row, 44, 26, 42, 3, 38. All right, you guys, they got us on this one. Got skunked on this one, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Later.